Good evening, this is Raj from funraj.com. Just enjoying the fireworks from my balcony on this Australian election day. Just came home, don't know about the results, just enjoy the fireworks. Until next time and beyond, have fun, keep laughing, and have an amazing rest of the weekend, and make the rest of the life the best of your life. Keep quiet and just enjoy the fireworks. So I wish you all the best. I want you to enjoy the fireworks as well. Did you get that echo effect or a Reco effect? Means Raja echo effect. So echo and the Rico. Just say wow. This is a reflection in my balcony glass door. The reflection view. That is a faint smoke screen I can see on the side. This is the rest of the view from my balcony. So have fun, enjoy. I wish you all the best. Raj from funraj.com.